Hi guys, it's Sherry from Scrapbooking.life, and today I'm here to talk to you about our new 20-page kit. It's called Rejoice 1, and it has 10 2-page layouts in the kit. The paper is from Authentique, and it was from the Rejoice collection, and we've turned it into a 20-page kit for you. The kit itself is $50, and you can order it online at Scrapbooking.life. I'm just going to flip through the pages quickly so you can see what they all look like. Of course, you'll get a full color PDF with your purchase. So you can do yours. Everything's already pre-cut. All you have to do is pop it together and distress it and pop it together. We don't distress for you. This is page 1, page 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, love the little truck, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that is your complete set. Again, you just go to Scrapbooking.life, click on Kits, and order your Rejoice 1 pack.